My name is Dave Canterbury with the Pathfinder School in Southeast Ohio, and today we're going to talk about herbalism for the woodsman. Understanding herbalism can be a great tool for you to put in your toolbox because it eliminates some of the need to carry redundant first aid type items that you could commonly address easily with your surrounding environment. Many of the weeds that grow outside your front door are actually medicinal plants. We're going to talk about how to identify different plants, the properties of those plants. We're going to talk about trees and seasonality. We'll talk about common ailments that you may face in the woods or in a short-term bug out scenario. We're also going to talk about how to harvest and prepare those herbs and how to use those herbs to address ailments that you may run into. All of those types of things we need to learn to address because they're the most common things that will happen to us in a woodland environment.
Panteo.